Join us in celebrating 60 years of Sally Beauty by embracing a hairstyle inspired by the 1960s, the bubble flip. To recreate this stunning look, the first step involves adding some color into the hair. In this case, I'll be using Midnight Blue by Manic Panic for a hint of blue. During this decade, bold and vibrant hair colors became popular. Following the application, it is essential to thoroughly wash the hair after the dye has set, utilizing Bar Bonding Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. This step not only cleanses the hair, but also nourishes it, preparing the hair for the final styling. All these products used in this video can be found at Sally Beauty. Once the hair is clean, apply the Dew Texture Foam on wet hair. This texture foam is going to give definition, shine, and volume to the hair. After the texture foam is applied, blow dry the hair using the ceramic tourmaline interchangeable hot airbrush. Using the airflow concentrator attachment to dry the hair, and then the round brush to flip out the ends of the hair. Fun fact, Sally Beauty began as a one-store operation in New Orleans, Louisiana in 1964. Now we are here celebrating this remarkable 60-year journey. Before backcombing, adding a hair oil can be a game changer by adding a healthy shine to the hair. This iconic look involved teasing the hair at the crown to create height and then locking it in place with a generous amount of hairspray. To preserve the backcombing, using a brush gently can help refine the style without undoing the volume created. This method allows for a more controlled approach to styling without flattening the teased sections. Pairing a hair ribbon with this 1960s bubble flip hairstyle, and for the finishing touches, adding a bit of pomade for a clean side part, and then adding additional hairspray if needed. The 1960s hairstyles have left a lasting impact on fashion and continue to inspire modern trends.